Good morning. My name is Amar Rodriguez. The subject is Principle of the Superposition. My teacher is Engineer Hector Dussan. Date March 16 to 2024. Exploring the principle of the superposition. In structural engineering, we encounter the fascinating concept, the principle of the superposition. This principle dwells holds that linear systems, the total effect produced by multiple independent influence is equal to the sum of the individual effects of each influence when acting separately. Mm, it's each influence as the oak space to act and the sum of all this space give us final result. Considerations when apply the principle. Over like everything, there are so many important limitations and considerations when applying this principle. For example, it might not be as accurate when practicing the fractures or firulas in structures. I, additional linear superposition does not take into account nonlinear effects in the more complex systems, something in the most considered in the practical application. Advantage of the using superposition. Both know everything is limitation, superposition of there or some very interesting advantage. For example, is allows on the perform efficient analysis, be study individual effects. We own in the net for repetitive calculation. Uh, Furthermore, is provides facility in the modeling as we can combine multiple sources of data to simulate real life situation more accurately. All of helps or Andrew's states in general problems in the more methodical and structured way. Practical application of the principle. The superposition principle is applied in the various scenarios of the structural engineering. For instance, when analyzing structures composed of the simple elements such as beams, columns, and arches, uh, we adapt the effects of each individual element to determine the overall barrier of the structure on their different layouts. Furthermore, when study beams of the multiple supports and boundary conditions, we employ the superposition principle to ascertain the reactions, the support and the distribution of stress and the deformation along in the beam. In summary, the principle of the superposition is available to structural engineering, but we was aware of the limitation and continue researching to develop more advanced methods in the will allow of the perform more precise and efficient analysis and continue advancing in the field of structural engineering. Thank you.